What is going on, you guys? Haley and I are headed back out to the flea market today, and it is the last flea market day before Christmas.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, it's Wednesday and Christmas is Saturday. I'm so excited.
Yeah, we haven't been out to the flea market on a Wednesday in a couple weeks. Usually Wednesdays are a little bit slower than usual, but I think because this is the last day before Christmas, we should see some pretty good level of vendor action out there. So we'll see.
We've had good days on Wednesdays before, for sure.
Yeah, our flea market is great. I mean, we've had good days Wednesdays and Saturdays, so we'll get out there today and see what we can find. So you said 25 on the Albert Einstein thing?
Yeah.
Does the actual actually talk? Has he got a string in his back or something?
Everything's brand new in it, and it says it does on the front.
Okay.
On the bottom of the front it says talk in action figure.
Yeah. That's cool.
I'll take it off for his Christmas. We can use the money. I'll check it. Look them up. I don't believe it. They're hard to find. They have All-Star Game tickets, but box seats.
Yeah.
And I didn't realize I had it for a while. I thought they were just the All-Star Game tickets.
Yeah.
And I was like, you know, these are the box seats. I looked closer. I was like, no. Yeah. and you look it up. You would. I'm telling you, check out box seats. All-Star Game box seats.
I'll definitely do him. 25 on him. I guess I'll go ahead and get this heater thing
That's a
too.
good deal.
Yeah, I'll think about the Cal Ripken Jr. thing. We'll make around and come back.
$100. Can't go any lower.
That's a good deal.
No.
It's not really the price. I'm just thinking about like what I would do with it. You know.
I can't go any lower. If you really like it, think about it. Check it out.
Yeah. Thank you.
That's what I can do on it.
Yeah. Would you mind if I open this?
Yeah. Just be careful.
Yeah.
I don't care. Check it out. It's a lot of money. So I don't mind checking stuff out. Just be real careful.
Yeah. I just want to see what the back of the tickets look like. You know, they've got all the. It looks like it's glued to it because they're not like. I want to see what the back of the tickets look like because usually they have like information on the back or something.
Yeah, try to see what you can do. Check it out.
I'm scared too.
I'll mess with it if you're interested in it. I'll take the time and let's see.
Probably didn't know they were gonna be worth money one day when they made that.
Yeah, I didn't know they were good. I never actually took it apart.
Yeah.
Take it off, or if you're still interested.
We'll make a round, come back. Think about it. Thanks, man. Really well.
How y'all doing?
Hey, good. How are you?
All right.
I bought those golf clubs from you the other day, right? I owe you some money.
Yes, sir.
I didn't know if you could be out here on Wednesday or not. Here's 25. How about that? Will that work?
You know it's 45, but I do 35.
Well, I said I couldn't.
You just if you want to give me something later, that's fine.
Well, I said I couldn't do 45 on them.
Right.
And then you said just take them. And I was like, well, I'll give you at least 20 or something later. Because they're only worth about $50. So 45 doesn't leave me much meat on the bone.
More about $30.
Oh, you drive a hard bargain. There you go.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you. Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yep. It's like, well, you owe me 45. No, I don't. I told you I couldn't do 45. Oh, look, socks. Remember that time we bought socks from that guy and I said, these are adult sizes, right? And he said, yeah.
Yep.
And then we got them home and I couldn't fit them on my foot.
Yep.
Because they were kids. It was a Game Wave. I've never heard of a Game Wave before. Wrangler. That's kind of cool. How you doing today?
Alright.
Good. We won't get you on camera. I know you don't like that.
No, I don't. Hey, wait a minute, there's two of them up there.
Yeah, she is.
Where's my spray paint?
How much you asking for the cowboy hat?
10.
That's not bad.
Nice hat.
Yeah, I like that.
Sheepskin and all that good stuff.
Yeah. What about the Carhartt backpack here?
30.
That doesn't sound too bad. Let's see. How much are your hats?
5, 3 for 12.
New York Giants tumbler. What do you want for this?
10.
Could you do 25 if we got the cowboy hat, the tumbler, and these two hats?
Whoa, I was selling the tumbler for 10 alone. It got a $35 price
Yeah,
tag.
so we got this 20. It's $30 total, $5 each, 10 and 10. So I was just asking for $5 off if we got all four.
All right.
I appreciate that.
I thank you kindly.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a Merry Christmas.
Y'all do the same. Be safe.
That's good. Good table. Good stuff. My camera wasn't on, but we just picked up this pair of women's Puma shoes for $6. Not really worth a ton. I just kind of felt bad or the vendor, but she didn't sound like she was selling a lot of stuff. And I understand the struggle of having to take stuff home with you after you bring it out here. She's got some 34 by 29s, my size. They're still too long. Is this like a pair?
Uh-huh, those are Kyrie's. They go this, they like this.
Oh wow.
Yeah, they're
That's
Kyrie
interesting.
Irving.
Huh. Kids these days will wear anything. Yeah, sorry, that's our pile right there. Hey, I'm gonna get these.
Really? They seem like just
I thought they were in like, and they've got one little pole right there, but we can just like cut that off.
fake.
I don't think so. All right, I think we're ready. All right, we got 6 hats, little Monster High girl.
You don't want no bags, do you? You gonna put
No,
them in?
yeah, we'll put it in here.
I'll give you this one, $2.15.
Okay.
17 on that. These are 15.
Okay.
These 15. And these are 25. These are Georgia boots.
Did you do 60 for everything?
I don't even know what I counted.
That was
Yeah.
17, right?
I think it was 18 with this thing. So it was 18, 15, 15, and 25. So we got 55,
And what did you say?
60 for everything?
Yeah.
Okay.
No,
Thank you so much.
you don't need a bag.
Nah, we haven't put anything in hers yet. It's been kind of a slow day. How much you got on the Playboy hoodie? Playboy Misguided. That's kind of cool. You got a $10 bill on you? Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
It's a cool USA hat. It's got all these USA pins on it.
Oh, yeah.
And it's K products made in the USA.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. What are you asking for that? $5. Yeah, we'll get that. There you go. Thanks, man. How's it going? You got any more comfort colors today? Or any of the ones we didn't buy?
I didn't get a new shipment of comfort colors. I don't have any on the table. I didn't even put them out. I just had a few pieces.
Yeah, okay. Well, we're out here all the time, so anytime you find blank ones, especially ones without the pocket, I'll buy all of them.
Okay, I appreciate it. We'll
Yep.
get more.
Sounds good. ¿Cuánto cuesta calculadora? Is that sense? Cinco?
Those are the good ones.
Yeah, this is good.
Bueno. The bueno ones.
Bueno ones. I'll give you cinco for it. Cinco Dolores.
$5.
Para ti, mi amigo.
Muchas gracias.
De nada.
Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. I better stop. Start speaking in tongues. It's, I think,
Battery operated, but I don't know if it works or not. But anything in that bin down there is $1.
I'll take a chance on it for $1. I don't have any ones. You got change, or I can prepay you for the next things we buy from you.
Do that then.
Okay. Well, here's
No,
$5.
No, just you need to see me the next time.
Okay. Okay. Appreciate it. Do you think next time we go to pay for this thing, she'll be like, "Well, you owe me $5." So we just finished up here at the flea market. I'll give you guys a quick little look at some of our best items. I think this pair of Kyrie's that we picked up from our lady that we've bought from a good amount of times. These are size 6U. Pretty good shape other than this little pull right here. I mean, the bottoms are in good condition. We paid, I don't even remember, we paid $60 for everything in this whole bag that we got from her. And sold comps are looking pretty good on these. There's a pair of pre-owned right there that sold for $75 plus shipping. Another pre-owned that sold for best offer $112. Another pre-owned that sold for $20. So prices are all over the place. $95 plus shipping. So I think we shouldn't have any problem at all making our money just with those. Bunch of hats. I mean, kind of basic hats, like nothing crazy. We did get this USA Olympic hat from that one guy for $5 with all these pins on it. I just think that is super cool. I have no idea what this is worth or even how to look up the value other than maybe using Google Lens to look up each pin individually. But definitely a cool hat. We'll probably sell as is. It's a K Products hat, made in USA. I would imagine we could get maybe like $30 to $35 plus shipping for this hat. As long as we keep all the pins on it. You got the pair of Georgia boots, this really cool like Gamecocks Hawaiian hat. I've never seen anything like that. A couple Mickey Mouse hat, Walt Disney Worlds. Those are always good. I mean, just in this bag's probably a couple $100 in profit for sure, especially counting these Kyrie shoes. I picked up this Playboy hoodie. Haley's like, that is inappropriate. There's no women on it or anything like that. I think Playboy does pretty well. It says Playboy Misguided, and it's got a big like thing on the back, which is kind of interesting. Paid $10 for that. I don't know what it's worth. I took a chance on it, maybe like 30 to 40 bucks plus shipping. Got the Wrangler cowboy hat. I don't know what it's worth. Paid $10. It's made of sheepskin leather, the beaver quality, and it's 5X. If you guys don't know, on cowboy hats, the more X's, the better the quality. So if you find like a 10X or something like that, I don't know how high they go, but the more X's, the better. So I think this would be pretty good. It's got a cool little metal embellishment on the side. Maybe like 40 bucks or so. It needs a little bit of reshaping here. There we go. It already looks a lot better. Got this little Harley Davidson hat. I don't know what this style of hat's called. Little, I don't know. It's cool looking. Got a little TaylorMade R5 or not? Yeah, TP5 M3 hat. This is an easy $20 hat all day long. This thing's worth like 40 bucks. This Motorola talk about, that was pretty cool. The Puma shoes I showed you guys earlier. Got this random little heater. I think we paid 10 bucks for this. This is a good time of year to sell these, maybe like 30 bucks on that. Calculator we picked up from that guy for 5 bucks. TI 84 Plus C Silver Edition. This is an easy 50 to 60 bucks all day long as it works. New York Giants tumbler. It's got a brand new price tag on there, $34.99. I think we paid 10 bucks for that. Literally brand new. It's still got the little paper inside. This should be an easy 20 to 25. And then the Albert Einstein doll. This is just one of those things that I don't know if it's actually worth a lot of money. Haley, you said you looked up comps and there's like one that sold for 40.
Yeah, I think it was 40 free shipping, but they took an offer on it.
Yeah, so it's, I mean, I've never seen anything like this. And I don't know how many people out there collect Albert Einstein action figures, but I think we paid, what, like 15 bucks? I think it was 15. I don't remember exactly. We'll have to go back and look at the video again, but definitely cool from 2005. I mean, how many people out there can say they have a collectible Albert Einstein action figure with 30 unique
And he talks.
phrases? Yeah. So 15 bucks. There's one listed on eBay right now for 150. I don't think it's worth 150, but I think we could probably easily get 60 to 70 for it plus shipping. I think that's doable. So pretty good day at the flea market. I want to talk a little bit more about the issues we had with two of the flea market sellers today, but before we get into that, I want to bring up two YouTube related issues that are super important. If you guys have watched our channel and you've noticed in the first 15 to 30 minutes after upload, if you have commented on our videos, you sometimes get a reply from Hairytornado. It looks like me, it's got the same picture, it's got the same name usually, and it's just scam accounts. They'll say something like, thanks for watching, please message me on WhatsApp to get the latest deals on cryptocurrency or some crap like that. And I promise you guys that is not me. I will never ask you on a YouTube comment or anywhere really to contact me in any way. If I respond to your comment, it's gonna sound like me. It's like, hey, thanks for watching, love you so much. You know, it's gonna be obvious that it should be obvious that it's a scammer when they ask you to do weird things like that. So just use your good judgment and know that if you get a response from me and it sounds weird in any way, it's probably not me. And the other YouTube issue, which is just as important as the first, is that over the last 28 days, over 59% of you guys watching our channel have not yet subscribed. I challenge you, if you've watched 3, 5, 10 of our videos over the last week and you've enjoyed them and you find yourself watching this video right now and you've made it this far, obviously you enjoy something about our channel. Hopefully there's no other reason for you to be here. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. It's totally free, really helps us out a ton, and we have high hopes and big goals for 2022. So help us get there, hit that subscribe button. And now that every single person watching this video right now has officially hit that subscribe button down below and turned on all notifications, we can continue on with today's video. I want to talk quickly about the two issues we had with the two sellers at the flea market. The first being the lady that thought we owed her $45 for those golf clubs. If you guys haven't seen our last flea market video where we bought the clubs from that lady, definitely go check it out. I'll link it up here somewhere. But basically, she was asking 45 and I was like, no, I definitely can't do 45. And then I realized I didn't have any money anyway. And so I went to go walk away and she's like, oh, well, just take them. And I was like, I don't want to take them for free. Like, how about I pay you $20 next time I see you at the flea market? And she's like, no, I can't do that. Just take them. Just take them. I was like, oh, okay, like whatever you say. And so I went back and I was actually going to pay her a little bit extra. That's why I paid her 25 in today's video. And then she's like, well, you owe me 45. And I'm like, No, I don't. Like I told you, I'm not going to do 45. Actually, when I looked at the golf clubs closer after we got back from the flea market the other day, they actually probably aren't even worth 50. I definitely end up losing money. But I paid her, I think I ended up paying her $30 for everything, which was honestly more than they were worth. And I don't want to accuse her of like trying to scam us because I always like to see the best in people. So I guess it's possible that I misunderstood what we were talking about. But I want to use this as an example to say why you should definitely make sure you understand the deals you get into before you make them, because there may be some miscommunication, there may be some actual scamming going on. Again, I don't want to accuse her of anything, but I will say that I'm kind of upset about it, and I'm probably not going to buy anything else from her at the flea market. The other vendors, we have great communication, like with Zoe and his mom. We know what's going on. We know what prices we're going to pay. There's no doubt in my mind. But now with this lady going forward, I'm going to be very cautious if I do any dealings with her at all again in the future. And then the other guy that had the Cal Ripken Jr. tickets and the autograph thing, he had an original price on there of $200. And I was just looking at it just out of curiosity to see what it was. And he went on and on about how these are box seats for the All-Star game in 1993, I think. Sorry, Moses barking back there. He just went on and on about how valuable these tickets were. He's like, I don't know if the autograph is real. It wasn't. It was definitely not a real Cal Ripken Jr. autograph. But I thought they were cool, and I was at least wanting to look at the tickets himself and not just take it for granted that they were real. It could have been just a photocopy, you know? I asked him if I could open the frame, opened it, and it looked like the tickets were glued on there, but I didn't want to mess with it. And then he took it all out and realized they were glued in. Again, he was asking $200 in the beginning and then knocked it all the way to 100, and then he's like, well, you just make me an offer. I'm like, dude, they're worthless. Like, even if the tickets were worth money, if they're all the way glued and there's glue residue all over the back of those, it's just not going to be worth anything. So I felt bad, but I'm really glad I didn't just pay him $100 for those and then go on about my day thinking I made a fortune on some All-Star Game box tickets, you know? So definitely make sure you are checking your items, especially before paying, over $50 for them, honestly. Because he would have just sold them as, the most valuable tickets in the world, when in reality, they're probably just garbage at this point because of all the glue residue, if they were even real to begin with. Again, I don't want to assume he's trying to scam people at the flea market, because he seemed pretty disappointed himself when he found out they were glued. But it's super important to make sure you know what you're getting into when dealing with people at the flea market. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, definitely go ahead and hit that like button for us down below. And if you haven't already, for some reason, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below as well. We post 3 new videos every week for you guys, and hopefully they get better and better with each upload. Thank you guys again for watching. You're the best, and we'll catch you on the next one.